energy level. Oh, who's coming to see me? Mr. Red Guy. Uh-oh, did you just pee on my blanket, Blue Boy? Who's this? Yellow. Nice green. Hi. Uh-oh, somebody's attacking who's attacking the blanket? Uh-oh, who's doing that? Where you going with that? Where you going with that? Huh? It's our first major exploration, huh? But without Mommy. Yeah. What's going on? Oh, the tails work good. I'm gonna growl it, brother. Where's our little explorer? Is this our girl? That's our girl. She says I have to be adventurous with 4 brothers. Oh, are you ferocious, little guy? Are you ferocious? Hi, yellow boy. Little red boy. Little blue boy. Oh, you barking? Are you barking? Oh. The tails work good, huh? Yeah. Somebody's crawling in my lap. 2 puppies crawling in my lap. Huh. Oh, here it comes. So ferocious. I'm being attacked by adorable puppies. Such a dilemma. Oh, now somebody's chewing on my pants.